Welcome to the first in what may be a series of useful screen capture videos that cover some of the mechanics of using Excel. What I'd like to do in this first one is get down some of the basics of file structure elements. And in so saying, what I really mean is the setup of headers, footers, the file name, and then finally tab names. And the idea behind this is to prepare our spreadsheets to be print ready. So what I'm going to navigate to is the page setup. I'm a big keyboard person. You can pause these videos and rewind and see the keystrokes, because what I'm going to do is go to page layout and then page setup. But as a keyboard person, the way I'm going to do that is by hitting Alt and then PSP. And what I'm going to set up first are our headers. So what we're going to set up as our custom headers is we are going to use the file name and we're going to use the tab name in the headers. In our footers then, in that center section, we're going to use page number / number of pages. So now that we've got headers and footers set up, the next thing we want to set up is the file name. In order to do that, I'm going to hit Alt F-A, which will allow me to do a save as function. And the standard file naming convention I'm going to want us to use in here will be SBNM 5310. That's the course number. Dash your last name, in this case mine, and then the name of whatever we're working on. For example, it could be homework assignment 1 or exam number 1. Or in this case, I'm going to call it file structure elements, since that's what we're working on right now. Now that I've got headers, footers, and the file name all squared away, what I'm going to do is deal with the tab name. The tab or sheet name exists down here. You can either double click it, or if you want to learn to be a keyboard person like me, it's Alt OHR. And so I'm just going to call this Notes, and then save it again. And now when I hold down Control and hit P and I do a print preview, we can see that automatically in my header is the file's name, the tab's name, and on the bottom is page number and number of pages. So those are all of the elements that I would like us to have in all of our basic spreadsheets that we work on and do together. So in closing, will put those keystrokes down for you so that you can, if you'd like, start working on your Excel keyboard shortcut skills. Otherwise, spend some time in and around navigating these menus, and you should start improving your Excel skills quickly.